Which animals are kosher according to Torah? Imagine walking through a field or a river and wondering which animals are okay to eat. The Torah gives clear rules about which creatures are considered kosher, meaning fit for consumption. Let's explore these guidelines together. For land animals to be kosher, they need to have two main features. First, they must have split or cloven hooves, which means their hooves are divided into two parts. Second, they must chew their cud, which is the way some animals digest food by regurgitating and rechewing it. Only animals that have both these traits are kosher. For example, cows, sheep, and goats all meet these criteria. They have split hooves and chew their cud, making them acceptable to eat. On the other hand, animals like camels chew their cud but do not have split hooves, so they are not kosher. Pigs have split hooves but do not chew their cud, so they are also not kosher. The Torah emphasizes these signs because they help identify which land animals are permissible. When it comes to birds, the Torah lists 24 species that are forbidden, mainly birds of prey like vultures, hawks, and eagles. All other birds are generally considered kosher, but in practice, only those with a long-standing tradition of being kosher are eaten. Common examples include chickens, turkeys, ducks, and geese. These birds are widely accepted and prepared according to kosher rules. For fish, the Torah states that only those with fins and scales are kosher. This means shellfish like shrimp, lobsters, and crabs are not kosher because they lack scales. Fish such as salmon, trout, cod, and herring are acceptable because they have both fins and scales. Kosher laws also specify how animals must be slaughtered. The process called Shechita involves a trained person, known as a showhead, making a swift, humane cut to the animal's throat. This method is meant to minimize pain and ensure the animal's death is quick. After slaughter, the animal is checked for any defects that could make it non-kosher, called treifa. Another important rule is that meat and dairy products cannot be eaten together. This separation is part of the overall system of Kashrut, which guides what is permissible to eat and how to prepare it. In summary, the Torah's rules for kosher animals focus on physical signs like split hooves and cud chewing for land animals, a list of forbidden birds, and fish with fins and scales. These laws shape the way kosher food is identified and prepared, reflecting a deep connection between dietary choices and spiritual principles.